of, and thank you for letting us be a sponsor. It's a great privilege. I'm going to just take a few minutes just to tell you about my company and what we do and how we do things differently, and why you should buy from us. So, all right. So let me see. This one? Okay. All right, so some facts about our company. Our company has been in business since 2004. We're based in Cincinnati, to be accurate, Westchester, which is northern part of Cincinnati. Our focus is in Oracle analytics systems like Hyperion, OBIE, and such. I admit we do Microsoft and SAP analytics work also. We are certified minority-owned business. There are a lot of Fortune 500 companies that recognize minority businesses. So for that, but more importantly, we are a financially stable and sustainable business. That's what that minority and federal ADA certification means to us. We are also federal DSA schedule holder. But more importantly, all our consultants are certified in Hyperion, Microsoft, Oracle, and other products. Okay. So for many years, I worked for different consulting companies, larger ones, and I worked with many clients. Large clients, General Motors, Chrysler, and big companies. And I saw a lot of inefficiencies and a lot of things that I didn't like. And many years I was like, okay, one day when I have my own company, I would do things differently. So back in 2004, I finally said, all right, this is the time to start the company, and what we would do differently. There's three basic principles that we utilize. The first thing is about multitasking. Our consultants, we utilize fewer consultants to reduce the number of consultants and provide more efficient service using fewer consultants. In that way, it's almost like too many cooks in the kitchen. So that syndrome, we can handle that. All right, innovative solutions, creative solutions that requires less maintenance time. You all know about that. Just utilize that. If something can be done that can fix itself, a program or a piece of code or maybe a batch routine, then we do that to begin with so that it requires less time over the period of the application life cycle. Also, we balance the workload by engaging on-site and off-site consultants. The reason that may be important is that a lot of times you may have a deadline and you need to get things done on time. So so we can get things done with taking help from our Cincinnati-based consultants. So it's not just on-site consultants in Chicago and other places, but also they get support from our Cincinnati office. Okay, so because of the whole operating all those principles, we are fortunate enough to work with many clients. I listed a few preferred clients that we have been working with for years. For example, Cooper Tire, we have been working with them for 4 years. Semco Brands, almost 2 years. Cincinnati Financial, 4 years. Ethicon, almost 3 years now. Our clients, great references, they all like us very much. And this is from John Brooks, the CFO of Semco Brands. And Semco Brands, they make construction of the machine tools for construction industry. They're based in Cincinnati also. So here's John Brooks said, "My experience with Analysis Express has been outstanding. They came highly recommended by one of their longtime clients. I could not be more pleased with any other, with their technical abilities, responsiveness, commitment to make sure they understand our business. More importantly, in my 20-plus year, they were one of the best consultants I have partnered with. That's what John Brooks said. In fact, that's one of their projects that was failing project that we worked on and brought back on track. All right, so that's there is some exciting news in Oracle Hyperion. In beginning of April this year, a new version came out. I want to just have a quick update on that because I did not see any session topic today, so I just wanted to. The release System 11.122, this is the most stable release. It is very easy to install and a lot of performance related features has been increased, and there are parallelization all across the board, from data loading to calculation and batch scripting and all of that. It has a lot of improvement on calculation manager and easy configure and so forth. So yeah, I'll be available later on by the booth here. So if there are any questions, and also we have done several web demos that we can invite you in if you are interested to learn more. Well, with that, our booth is right on our side. We can have discussions on any Hyperion OBIE products. More importantly, any mobile technology products. We are partnered with CXO, Rom BI, and Spotfire. We can talk about that. Also, Oracle Indica. Indica used to be a separate company. Oracle bought them recently, about 6 months ago or so. Another exciting analytics products. We can showcase that. Oh, okay. There are a couple of LinkedIn groups that I want to maybe of interest to you. The Cincinnati Business Intelligence LinkedIn group that has about 400 members. The sponsors include Oracle, LexisNexis, Informatica. The last event was about big data analytics. So I know it is beyond the scope of this group, so that may be something that you might be interested in, to participate at Cincinnati Business Intelligence Group. The IT Martini Group, just as it says, they get together and have a martini or some sort of beverage. That seems like it's the focal point of that group. But they talk about anything about IT, so from infrastructure to database, warehousing, and everything. So might be another group that you might be interested. I thought to bring that to your attention. So with that, I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity. So I look forward to meeting you all. Okay. All right. Thank you.